Thank you for watching the latest episode of the Inside Drive on Racers and Rods Media. Stay tuned weekly for more exciting content.
So I am the original owner of this 04 Scion XB. First couple years we used to do the SBL style competitions and also promotion for Scion themselves as with the top. Yeah, life hit, a couple unexpected deals hit. I had to actually get rid of it after even the first season I was showing it. So the car went for sale. A gentleman picked it up. He was going to actually build the car for Rockford Fosgate, so they tore it down to do that build, and then it fell off the face of the earth. And again, if you're a mini trucker, you all know once the cars go away and you stop seeing them, most of the time they wind up in the
I lost mine. Yeah, never know where mine went either.
So I actually broke my heart, didn't see it for about 7 years, and a buddy of mine called me up and said, hey, look online right now, I think I see your car. And another gentleman bought it from the first guy who had tore it down and warehoused it and then just sat there. This gentleman bought it, packed it all up, drove it to Virginia, put it all together, and it's still the original paint job as it was when we first painted it. Original upholstery. There were some things that he had to make up because they got lost or damaged in the tear down.
So they tore it down, but they didn't damage it. They didn't change anything on it or anything.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So these are actually, these tires are 14 years old because the gentleman took it, bought it from the other guy, took it to his shop, and he has a stereo shop. And this was in his stereo shop, in the building, as his display.
Oh, okay.
And once in a while, he'd take it out and take it to a car show local in Virginia. And then they just took great care of it, updated a bunch of stuff on it.
That's amazing. You don't ever hear that happening.
No. And you know, and then my buddy found him, and you know, I just kept in communications with him. You know, befriend him online. You know, because I still lived in California when we found it. Actually, life for us changed. We actually, my wife and I, we moved from California to up in Jacksonville, Florida, in between the two times. So then all I had to do was go from Jacksonville to Virginia to pick my car up, put it on a flatbed, and drove my car home. So 13 years later, the story is I have my original car.
Wow, that's very cool.
90% of the way I left it. So, you know, and and also the guy just updated it and made it nicer, you know, kept updating it and put it in an air-conditioned environment, you know. So it really is.
That's a very cool story, and it's awesome. It's a very cool, unique car.
Very blessed.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, great. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Thank you very much.